Hello everyone, this is DF52 CRP analyzer. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble the CRP chamber and assemble again. So this is the new type of CRP chamber. As you can see here, below the CRP chamber there is isolation chamber, and this is the CRP chamber. First we need to make it empty by medical syringe. As you can see, take out the liquid inside from the CRP chamber and then dispense into the waste, and then after that, so it's empty. Then as you can see here, below downside there is one hexagonal screw. We have to remove it. As you can see here, this one, right, the hexagonal, this screw by this end. Now we are going to remove this screw. Yeah, almost removed. So now it's removed. Now we have to remove the isolation chamber, take it out, and the tube also. If you don't know, for you have to take it photo for you, then it will be better for you. Yeah, then you have to take it out the CRP chamber carefully, because behind there is coupler connection. We have to disconnect it properly, very careful. So here now you can see, so this is the CRP chamber. You have to disconnect the coupler connection. This is the CRP laser, this one. As you can see, tag is mentioned. If you don't know, you have to take photo for you, because then we have to reconnect it. And then the other connector, this one for CRP bath and CRP sensor, diluent bath. So you have to disconnect this all coupler one by one. Be careful. And the tube also you have to disconnect it for R1, R2. Be careful. And remember, for this tube you have to disconnect it from the valve, okay, not from the CRP chamber. Remember this tube you have to disconnect it from the valve. So now all the tubes and coupler connection is disconnected. Just the main cable, you can see this cable behind, it's connected with the main board. Let me show you on the back side. It's connected here with the main board here. So we have to remove here the fan by screwdriver. Just lose these two screws a little bit, and then take it up and remove it. Up, and then you can see it's removed easily. And on the left side of the analyzer, you have to take it up. As you can see, we can take it out, right? It's already outside. And then we can remove the CRP cable. So be careful when you disconnect the CRP cable. Yeah, you have to remove it. Remember, when you disconnect the CRP connection cable, on the main board it's connected with the tag name with CRP interface. Remember, here on the main board there is tag CRP interface. As you can see, you have to disconnect that cable, right? And then follow it and unlock this unlocker, unlock it, and then careful disconnect the cable. Also you have to remove this grounding. You can see this screw. So now you have to take it out, the cable. You can see it's coming. Now you can see, now it's successful disconnected. So this is the way how to disassemble the CRP chamber with CRP connection cable. Now we have to install it back. So you have to follow the instruction. And now you will install back the CRP cable. This cable first you will install back. Then you have to follow the same as you disassemble. You have to install back the same process, the same way. Then you have to assemble the grounding cable board. So now you can see you have to install back and screw tight, make it tight. Then the CRP connection cable installed back with the main board CRP interface. Here, now you have to install with the same coupler connection CRP interface. So now we already installed back the CRP connection cable. Now we have to do the other coupler connection. So you have to follow properly. First all the coupler connection. If you don't know which one is for which one, then you have to first, when you remove, you have to take photo for you. Okay, otherwise you will forget it or you will make a wrong coupler connection. So you have to connect it to the corresponding cable. So this is the PTC and other we have connected the diluent, bath and the CRP sensor, CRP laser, or you have to connect to the corresponding coupler connection. Then you have to move it to the N side, these all coupler, then install the CRP back, but we have to connect the tube also for the corresponding connection. And then install the tube also. This for R1, CRP R1, and the other tube is for CRP R2. CRP R2. You have to install back properly. Here is the, now you can see it's properly. Now it's seated and their location there is dowel pin. You have to make it correct, then install the hexagonal screw. And then this cable you are connected here and the isolation chamber also. Now the isolation chamber, install it back. Then the tube. So now it's properly installed. So this is the way how to disassemble the CRP chamber and reassemble the CRP chamber with CRP connection cable and coupler connection, tube connection, everything. Please follow this step. Thank you for watching the video.